So for dinner, I am making these delicious guacamole burritos. So I went ahead and already prepped and chopped up the cherry tomatoes, the red onion, and mashed up the avocados and squeezed some lemon to make the process easier. I went ahead and added the Tabitha Brown seasoning. This was my first time doing that. Some sea salt because that Tabitha Brown seasoning is salt-free, but if you don't want to use sea salt, you could use that kelp seasoning that I just showed. I used some cayenne pepper. I put some sweet paprika in there. Listen, I was making this super delicious. And I got my nori seaweed wraps. Now that my first day is almost completed, I feel really good and I feel motivated to keep going. So I add the guacamole. I put some microgreens on there. Those are arugula microgreens. And then I added some romaine lettuce. And I did this for every one of them. And leading up to this cleanse, I really began to eat more lightly and I incorporated more soups and salads. And even though my last cleanse I did was fruit for 21 days straight, I considered this cleanse to be more strict because I actually had to put some thought into the meals I was making and I had to be creative in what I was doing. And I had to make everything from scratch. So I added some arugula on the top. I put some balsamic vinaigrette on there and voila.